Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I will be exploring everything related to websites, WordPress, themes, and plugins. And in today's episode, which is the first episode actually, we will be diving into the world of website creation while focusing on WordPress and its benefits and also how to make the most of it. Now, in our table of contents, we have what is a website, different ways to build a website, what is WordPress, and why is it better to use a WordPress site, the pros and cons of using a WordPress CMS, and all you need to build with WordPress. Um, this all you need to build with WordPress includes the themes, plugin, and all. So be ready. And also we have what are the WordPress themes and plugin. Like I said, then hosting WordPress online and offline because you are allowed to build a WordPress site online and offline too. Where if you know your ways around it, which we will be diving into as we move on in this journey that we just started or embarked on. So please come with me. I don't know if even if you have experience about web development and all, this is still a good place for you to just refresh and know. And if you are just new to it, please come with us as we go on this journey. So, what is a website? It says a website is an online platform that provides information, services, or products to its visitors. It is essential for businesses, individuals, and organizations to have a website to establish an online presence and reach their target audience. Now, in the physical world, we have shop like the place where I come from. I'm from Nigeria, Lagos to be specific. I we see we have shops, we have businesses, companies that have shops, physical shops. So you know the business and you know a place you can get their products in physical world. So websites are like that for the digital world. They said, what are the different ways to build a website? There are different methods of building a website, including using website builders, coding from scratch, and using content management systems like WordPress. Website builders are user friendly tools that allow users to create a website without coding knowledge. Coding from scratch requires web development skills and can be time consuming. You have to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a whole lot of things you don't even know yet. Content management system like WordPress provides a user-friendly interface, customizable features, and extensive community support. Sorry about the Manicam watermark. We'll get rid of it very soon, I hope. So, what is WordPress? It says WordPress is a popular and versatile content management system used for building websites of all kinds. In it powers 40% of all websites on the internet and it is known for its user-friendly interface, customizable features, and extensive community support. It is an open source platform, which means it's free to use and can be customized to suit different needs. That is one thing I enjoy about WordPress. People like to talk down sometimes about WordPress, but the best sites you see or the sites you use the most online, if you check the backend, they were built with WordPress because WordPress gives owners, gives company this freedom of being able to do anything they want and anytime they want to without needing expert and all. So they said, why is it better to use WordPress? WordPress is better to use because of its flexibility. You can twist it anyhow you want. You can change this, change that without having to break anything. Because of its scalability, no matter how big or small your business is, if it starts from scratch, then you can upgrade until to how much size you want, and ease of use for beginners and experienced developers. Yeah, this is where the WordPress Jedi comes in because now you don't even have to learn everything. Just start with WordPress and something will make a thing. So it allows users to create and manage their websites with ease without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Yes. It also has a robust ecosystem for themes and plugins that enhance functionality. That's one major thing I enjoy about WordPress. In HTML, CSS, you have to look for a script to do this, or maybe you have to create it yourself, or you have to do. But in WordPress, whatever it is you are doing. Someone has already created it. So all you have to do is drag and drop. With the images, drag and drop. With the Teams plugin, just drag and drop. So I think we now understand why it is better to use WordPress. We will still dig into WordPress and its benefits more as we move on, but for now, let's just state the basics. So, steps of using WordPress. The pros and cons of using WordPress includes the SEO friendliness, security, and extensive community support. Because by default, search engine optimization is automatic for WordPress sites, and the community supports everything you think you can be. Every kind of problem you're going through or might be going through, someone somewhere has solved it before, and you just have to look for it and get it. It has a vast library of things and plugins too, which enhances the functionality of WordPress sites. The cons of using WordPress includes potential limitations in customization, security vulnerability, because these plugins we use, people create them, and sometimes some people are dubious, so they put in things that make loopholes and all. So you have to be careful on kind of plugins and themes you use, and the need for regular upgrade and updates is very something you need to take note of too in using WordPress. Okay, so all you need to build with WordPress, to build a successful WordPress site, you need a domain name, hosting, and content strategy. Yes, a domain name is the web address of your website, www.dolapobuilds.com, for example, and hosting is the server where your website is stored and accessed by visitors. A content strategy involves creating engaging and SEO friendly content that attracts and retains visitors, because I assume, or everyone assumes, when you're building a website, you're not building it for yourself, or you might be building for yourself sometimes, but most times people build it for others to use. So you want people to see something, you have to get to them, and that's where SEO and all those optimizations comes in. So what are WordPress plugins and themes? So themes are pre-designed templates that determines a website design and layout. They can be customized to suit different needs, and there are thousands of free and premium themes available for WordPress. You can just think of any kind of design someone else has made it, look for it, get it, use it. Plugins are add-ons that extends WordPress functionalities, from SEO optimizations to e-commerce capabilities to matching to payment options and a lot. There are over 50,000 free and premium plugins available for WordPress, making it a versatile platform for website development. Now, hosting WordPress sites online and offline. Like I said before, you're allowed to host WordPress sites online and offline, just the way you can host HTML and CSS sites online and offline. There are different options of hosting a WordPress site online or offline, including shared hosting, dedicated hosting, managed WordPress hosting, which are for online purposes. Then shared hosting is a cost-effective option, but can be slow and less secure because you'll be sharing your hosting package with some other people. Then dedicated hosting provides more control because it's just you now, and security because it's just you and you undo everything, but it can be expensive. Managed WordPress hosting is a specialized service that provides optimized performance and security with support for WordPress sites. That one is specifically designed for WordPress sites, and you don't need to worry about much. Everything has been almost done for you pre. Local development environments for WordPress are also available, allowing users to develop their WordPress site offline. Now, for the local developments, there are different servers, or let me say database, you should get familiar with. I local servers I use, there are SAMP, WAMP, MAMP, and some others, many others. So, but I use MAMP currently. So MAMP works for me, and we will be using it as we move on. Yeah, I'm currently using a port, so the SQL server is not connected. We'll dig through everything, and you guys will understand how it works as we go on. And even if you already understand it, well, we get to work with it as we move on because we'll be building most of our sites offline. Okay, so thanks for watching today. See you guys in the next class when we talk about everything extensively. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The Lakba Builds is here for you. Thank you. See you next time.